What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rasco Garage. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be making a very useful, inexpensive tool. So this is going to work with collectors, or even if you're using a tube bender, any kind of tubing that requires rotation, right, to make cuts. So I have a video that I put out where I made a 3-to-1 collector. So I actually made this tool to make those collectors because I have to do multiple cuts on one piece of tube, and you need to accurately understand where to make those cuts in order for the geometry to work for those three tubes to merge together as one. So today's video, we're going to be making an angle finder out of a cheap pair of Husky channel locks that I had laying around. So let's get into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tool using my channel locks here, because I can put these on top of the tube, and I want to make it so I can add a little pedestal for this to sit on, so when I rotate I can have this zeroed out perfectly, so that's top dead center, and then when I rotate it I can rotate it to, you know, wherever it is. It's got to go to 60 degrees, right? It's got to come all the way over here. So basically what I need to do is I need to weld a little piece of metal about 2 inches in width. I'm just going to tack it to the top of this. So there's ones you can buy online where it's like it, you know, clamps onto the tube and you can rotate it and do things like that. You know, that's more for like tube bending when you have like extra tubes sticking out. The way I make my collectors and with the bandsaw that I have, I'm always making them in 6-inch pieces. So I don't have a tube that can come out where I can clamp something on like that. And quite frankly, those are kind of expensive. So we're gonna try to make this thing. We got it all tacked up here. So here's basically what it looks like. Nothing too crazy. I just did 2 tacks on either side. I don't think it's gonna need any more than that. So I'll get the bandsaw set up, and we'll put it through its paces. All right, so we got everything fitted up. We're gonna make our first cut, and then we're gonna use our gauge to make the adjustment, and we'll see how close we get. So let's make this cut real quick. Okay, so that does it for today's video. We're able to quickly throw a couple tacks on these channel locks here, put this little pedestal on here, and it allows us to use our angle finder because it's magnetic on the bottom, and now we can make collectors and rotate our tubes and very accurately make cuts from here on out. So hope you liked the video. You know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more from Rasco Garage.